Guys, my job will complete for my brother. He was complaining the car have no air conditioning at all, and since when I finished put the new engine on and test, and we'll find out that's not working on the control panel. So what I do is just replace blow out one of the capacitor and join again all the fitting, and this will very perfectly working. This morning I wake up and go straight to J car, and guess what I get spent this morning. I buy 2 of these wire stripper and apply side cutter, so it will be handy. You can use it anyway. So I get one put in the car, one I keep in the toolbox, and you know, depend on what you pay for, what you get. Okay, I believe it's a better quality, sharp and very good cut. And in here is a capacitor. This is an old one with the 100 UF and 50 volts. And what I got is 100 UF and 50 volts here, same. And a little bit taller, but doesn't matter as long as the UF the same and volt is the same, and we can put them in. So I get one of this one else and put one in the car just in case when you need it. Very handy. Look at this. Ooh, side cutter, right? See, just sweep around, sweep around. You get this one. See, the wire stripper, very good grip, and this one very good grips. So you can lock it. Okay. See. Lock it like that, do some work. And this is how you pull it out. Squeeze it here. See, it's the come out one piece, and put it here. Okay, we installed the new one on with the soldering iron, and put this one on the negative out. Okay, be careful in this capacitor here. They don't have negative or positive, but they have one long leg and short leg here. One say node and one say cells. Nodes is for the negative and cells for positive. The node will be go into the negative this way on the board where I draw earlier, and go in there. That's it, and all we do is just solder them on. Turn on your soldering iron, and we can have your beautiful see in here is the burn here. And when it melts, it runs down where it the old position, where the positive on the other one. It should go down here. Okay, we turn up, and all we do is slide them on where the location is. So the bulb goes over there. Turn around, put it in the groups. Okay, all we do is just go like that. Okay, and then all we do is I show this one here, this one open up like that, and slide this one in position. That's it. We do is just slide them in. Okay, the two oh my god, the light. Oh shit. That's it. And this go in, and this one should go here, and this one should go here, this one should go here. Okay, let's put in the car, see it's working. If we turn on the key and you can see the light and everything on, we are loving cow. Okay, we will be loving cow. Got the pump in, plug them on. Let's see how it like. Okay, plug and play, plugs and plays, plugs in and plays. Okay, so pump in, leave it like that. See what ever happen. We let you know. Just go in, man. Okay, we choke it in like that. Okay, and we go in. Just set like that. Okay, and see how it looks. Turn on the key. Start it. Wrong key. No power. Okay, not working. Try again. Soldering again because the all the legs, I got a new capacitor on, but all the legs are loose. I know so far. So what we have to do is take it up again. Put it along here. Get it out. Hold it there, go around here. Take it out. Take it out. And go along here. Take it out. That's it. This one out. And this one. That one out. This one out. This one out. So if you don't have to take it out, it's going to protect you forever, okay? See, holding like that, hold your hand there, turn on this side and go along here. See, it's out. So all we do is just be careful, push it back out like that. That's it, and here we go. Turn on your soldering iron. Do every single joint of this one, every single soldering here, and every single solder here. And every single solder here. So we will do all around, heat it up, and do all around here, all the leg, all the fitting for this one. So maybe they lose contact somewhere in here, the main key. Okay, all the main key. Wait until it melts out, and we'll be right. So. Okay, heat up 400 Celsius. Now we can melt and put in every single one of them. Okay, don't be shy, take time, patient. I know you will get it. This is something we can fix, something we can fix. Okay, so moment of truth is there. Draw the line there, come down in here, all the way. This one. So make sure. See this one, go in the gap where this one belong here, underneath here. Push it out, push this one out, and make sure they on line, and then push it harder if you could. Okay, they are in all the way. All we do just slide in the groups, and it come in itself. See? Okay, let's go to the car and hook them on, and quickly go have a shower. So second try. First try was no good. Now is second try. Hopefully work perfectly. Oh, okay. Okay, we are. Where the key? The key here. Okay, we put this one on. So that's second try on the last day of the night. It's getting dark because I've been busy. Okay, second try. Put the air control sucker. It's called the air sucker or the sensor, whatever it is, I have no idea. Okay, so this one they suck the airflow in so they know the atmosphere, the temperature, the hot and the cold. Okay, we start up the engine, turn on the key. Oh shit, where the key? Forgot the key. Let's see the moment of truth from Simon Tools. 20 years experience in bakeries, and see if it works. So if it works, that means my skill is still good, because back in the day we used to do to the XF gear as well. Oh, you can see. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, can you see the control panel, man? Up, oh, down, down, up. Ooh la la, temperature up, down, temperature up. Oh yes, too fast, go down. Okay, and aircon on, off, off, and inside, outside, inside, and the windscreen, windscreen, where are you? Okay, we have to go mode. Yeah, that's it. It's beautiful, man. Off. Oh yes, what else you expect, bro? Turn on. Yeah, super flow. Super Simon Tools. Super Simon Tools is working well, bro. Okay, turn on the lights here. They go dimmer. Oh yes, go on dimmer. See, go dimmer, dimmer. Okay, it's good. Okay, that's 100% working. I put back tomorrow. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon. I've been very busy all day, and now I just finished these jobs because I have to take it out again and soldering. Like back in the day we do the Falcon XF, exactly the same problem. So what you do is pull it out, and if that capacitor has been replaced, and we try to put it in, it's not working. So something wrong with the leg or the feeding. It's been for a long time, all the corrosion, the heat, the humidity, and that's why they're stuck in there and they don't give you power. Anyway, all kind of good. And if you guys have the same car, can do exactly like what Simon do and save you some money. Thanks for watching Simon Tools. I hope you guys make Australia great again. Let's make shit. Okay, see ya. Beautiful.